Video of racist ANC members humiliate white South Africans gathered in prayer. Watch racist ANC members humiliate white South Africans gathered in prayer. This is sad. In this video, a group of white South Africans is seen gathering in prayer while ANC members humiliate them without shame. Watch the video below. It is believed that the white farmers were gathered to pray for their fallen fellow farmers who were murdered in cold blood, and also to pray for the land which the government is threatening to take from them without compensation. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.
Yeah.